Hello and welcome to my video on upgrading the Tamiya Lancia Delta Integrale on the TT-02 chassis. This first part I'm going to show upgrading from these horrible pogo stick supposed shocks to these lovely oil-filled ones with a softer spring on them as well. And to do that we first have to take off the old one and we're going to replace them with two ball joints. And weirdly you only get 6 ball joints like that. The other two are long grub screws that the ball joint screws onto. So if you'll excuse me, I tend to screw the ball joint to a position roughly where I think it should be, and then I get my Allen key. And then we can simply get the ball joint, he says, and click them in place. Like so. And there we have some nicely sprung and damped suspension ready for some off-road use. So I'll crack on and put the wheels back on, and we'll go jump onto the next upgrade I'm going to do. The second and third upgrade I'm going to do is to replace the stock 70-tooth spur gear with the what do they call it, their high-speed gear set, which is a 68-tooth. Comes with an aluminium mount and also an aluminium spacer, as you can see there, and it's just a simple case of sliding it over, and then the bearing, and then the bevel gear, and that's all ready. Rid of that. And the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this plastic prop shaft that I can feel that is bending under load for this aluminium one. Now I'm sure some of you will be shouting, well, where's your prop shaft gears, not gears, prop shaft housings, couplings, and I'll be quite honest with you and tell you I forgot to order them, but the prop shaft fits in here, so I'm going to try these stock prop shaft joints. That's the word I was looking for. Right, now the other thing we have to do is change the position of the motor mount, because we've gone down two teeth on the spur gear, and for that Tamiya have supplied a diagram, chart, whatever you want to call it, and I've got the 19-tooth pinion pinion gear in, and on the 70-tooth one it says that you put it on D, which I did have it on, but for the 68-tooth pinion you look down and it says you've got to put it on B, which according to this is actually the 17-tooth one. So we'll give that a try and see how we get on. It should just be a case of slotting that in. spinning it round. Yep, it's meshing lovely. Oops. And then we've just got to build it all back up. The fourth and final mod I'm going to make on the TT-02 is going to be to install some of this tyre foam. Now this is Tamiya's hop-up option for touring cars stroke rally cars. It's the hard inner sponge set, and just to show you the difference, here's one I made earlier and here's one without, and I don't know if you can see how much easier it is to squidge and squash the one on the right compared to the one on the left, and how much it rolls compared to, I'm sure this one's not going to do it as much. No, nowhere near as much. I hope you can see that. I've done this all wrong now. There we go. Oh my god. Well, I hope you can see all of that muck that's come out of the inside of the tyre. So bear with me for a second. Right, so the sponge goes in like so. And to begin with, just get it so that it goes over the bead of the tyre, or inside the bead of the tyre, and then you can adjust it as and when you need to. It's difficult to show on the camera and be able to see myself. But there we go, it's just about in like that, and you can poke it in and stretch it out, and it will get there in the end, like so. And there we have some nice foam filled tyres. So now I just need to do the other two and put the wheels back on, and then we can see if that makes any difference to Mark's completely stock XV01. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.